in this video, I'm going to show you how to find undervalued real estate before everyone else. And I actually have a secret website that you can use that most people don't know about. So make sure you watch this video all the way to the end. So basically the idea is that you can find foreclosed properties before they hit the market. So you'll have the chance to jump in really early and get a great deal. But in case you need a quick reminder, what exactly is a foreclosure and why is it beneficial to a real estate investor? A foreclosure occurs when a property owner defaults on their mortgage payments, which leads the lender to reclaim the property. This process can happen quickly, which often leaves the homeowners with very little time to prepare. And this sounds kind of bad to say, but the truth is that for a real estate investor, foreclosures present a really unique opportunity. You can buy these properties at a lower price than market value, so as an investor, you can acquire them below their potential worth. Investing in foreclosures can be really advantageous for several reasons. First of all, these, like I said before, these properties you can get them at a huge discount. Sometimes between 20 and 50% below market value. Secondly, foreclosures can provide a quicker turnaround for investors because they often need repairs, which means that you can increase their value with some renovations. And lastly, foreclosures are a great way to enter a market without facing the intense competition that comes with traditional home sales. So, what exactly is this secret website that'll help you find these properties? It's a website called foreclosure.com, and I've actually included a link to it in the description below. You can check it out. This site is a complete goldmine for investors if you're looking to find foreclosed properties before before they hit the mainstream market. Just to be clear, this is only for the US. So if you're looking for properties outside the US, this website will not have them. They've got properties that are foreclosed from all over the US in all these different cities and states. And if you are looking as a real estate investor, then this is what the homepage looks like once you click the link in the description. As you can see, you can enter the address, like the city, the state, or the zip code. They also have some of the top cities here. So, for example, if you look at Miami, then we'll see all these different properties in Miami that are in foreclosure. So, a lot of the properties in Miami are actually quite expensive. So these prices are actually a really good deal. But to give you a better example, let's look at Atlanta, for example. And you can see, $228,000 for a property. If we type, let's say Missouri, then again, we can find really cheap properties like a property for $92,000. And so you can actually see photos, but for that, you'll have to just create a free account. Just make sure you click the link and create a free account to see all the different photos. You can get all sorts of information about the properties as well. Like you can see the mortgage that you're going to pay. You can see the principal, the interest, property taxes, homeowners insurance, and all the different numbers that you would need as a real estate investor. You can pretty much find them here. There's also more trends and data of the location and the history of the property as well as the rent history. So you can see all sorts of information here about each property. And if you are looking to invest in real estate and you want to get started with a small amount of money compared to buying a brand new house, which will cost you a lot more, then foreclosure.com is definitely the place to do that. Now also you can also see the different types of categories here. So you can buy homes directly, you can find cheap homes. So you can even filter by price. So I can say properties under 60K in let's say Missouri. And then now we'll see properties for as little as $15,700. That's absolutely crazy, extremely, extremely cheap. You can also sort by number of bedrooms and bathrooms, listing type. So like how much down payment you need to make. If it's a fixer upper, then you can actually, turn these properties around and maybe flip them. You can look for different types of properties. You can even buy land that's under foreclosure. So you can see this land is city owned. Over here, you can see these categories are right there as well. So rent to own is another type of real estate investing that you can do. And so that's explained right here as well. So overall, foreclosure.com has a lot of free information for you to learn more about foreclosures and making money as a real estate investor. And if you want to find these properties, you want to see photos of them as well, just create a free account. Just click the link in the description below and check it out.